everyone, welcome back to my channel, and it's your girl Kerizii here. I know it has been forever since we've done a video like this, but I'm back. Did y'all miss me? So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my passion twist, and let me show you what it's looking like. I did it last night, so I'll insert the clips at the end of the video if you guys want to see how I did my hair. But honestly guys, I love it so much. It's so soft. The hair is really soft. It feels so natural. Like, this hair is gonna be my new hair. Like, if this hair can last me for 4 weeks, then it's gonna be my new go-to hairstyle. I'm one of those persons who really like to do their hair and forget about it. I don't like having to do my hair every week, every 2 weeks. That's too much stress for me. And I realize that most persons here on YouTube, they only have in the hair for like a week or two because they have to move on to the next style because it's their money, you know. So for me, it's not my money, it's my nothing, it's just my hobby. So my hair, I hope I can keep it in for 4 weeks. I'm going to try my best to keep it in for 4 weeks. Okay, so that means for the next couple of videos, maybe hair videos, because I'm gonna show you guys how I take care of this and all that good jazz. But I did make a couple mistakes while I was doing my hair because as you guys can tell, it's the very first time I was doing it. So I did make a couple mistakes. If you like, as you guys can see, my hair is not looking like super full like most people. I prefer it looking like this right now because it looks more natural to me. But obviously the next time I do it, I'm gonna try to make it more full. Also, I kind of forgot to, like, at first to like ensure that everything was even. So I do have, like, this is the very first one I did. As you guys can see, it's just like this. But honestly, I liked it. I actually wish I did more of them like this, because this one stays, and you have some of them that they kind of unravel no matter what you do. So what I did was to go ahead and add an elastic band. I actually did this today on it so that way it stays. I mean, if that's the only way I can get it to stay, listen, I'm gonna do it. And I think I might have to do it for this one as well because I have a gem on it, so it's kind of okay, but still, we're trying to keep it in for 4 weeks, okay? And just so you guys know, today is August 5th, so let's see when I pull this down. Alright, so let's get into the tutorial. So you need a couple things for this hairstyle. You need a tail comb. I wish I had a better one than this, to be honest, but I don't. I'm going to be using some beeswax. This is 100% pure Australian beeswax. Going to be using some edge control, 1 clip, and a pack of black elastics. Like the base, both ways. Beeswax on my fingers because they're about to rope twist it now. So let's see. This would be so much easier if my mirror wasn't broken. Okay guys, so the first one was my very first one. As you guys can see, I kind of fucked it up a little bit, but now that I've been doing this for a hot minute, I kind of have a hand. So I'm gonna show you guys in depth what I do on this one. So I twist this one just to make it easier to go through the thingy. I just turn the hook the hair in, close it, and then I just pull it through. Sometimes it doesn't always go as smoothly as it should. So this is the second time I'm pushing it through. Okay, so then I open the twist and pull it apart just to tighten it. Beeswax. And I'm rope twisting, for those of you guys that know what rope twisting is. So I realized that when I did like the regular tight twist, it never, I never like it. But when I did the rope twist one, I liked it, so I rope twisted all of them. And at this point I've only just been using beeswax on my hair. This is where things are gonna change for a bit. So you guys are gonna see me take my edge control to make sure that everything is pretty much as perfect as it can be before I catch it. You know, because you want to have that kind of look going on. That kind of. Okay, it's nighttime now, so and also guys, I only go around like 5 times. But I think for the front I'm only gonna do 4. Well, no, I'm gonna do 5. So I do 5 for all of them. Only thing on the end ones, I'm putting in just 1. And once my fingers start to feel dry, then I go ahead and add some more beeswax to it. And because I try my best not to pull on it as much too. So there's also that. Finally finished, guys. Hey everyone. Okay, so let me just finish up the hair. So this is what my hair looks like right now. I haven't done anything to it since last night. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just spray some oil. This is just some olive oil I put in a spray bottle. This is really just to spray along my roots, just to keep everything moisturized, because I did wash my hair and all that good stuff beforehand. And of course, you know, you have to fix up little baby. So I did wash my hair beforehand, do a deep con, all that good stuff. And well, yeah. So I'm just going to go ahead and fix my baby hair. I don't really, honestly guys, I'm not one of those people who really like laid baby hair. I just do a little thing here and there. This is it. So guys, this is the finished product.